In this video, we're going to bring you behind the scenes access on exactly how the boats are designed, how the materials are made, and how they're all constructed to make some of these wonderful boats behind me here. So I'm here with the co-owners of Ness Marine. I've got Gary here to my right-hand side, and we've got Julian. So we're just going to talk a little bit about the business. Gary, how did Ness Marine begin?
So Ness Marine started as a result of a change in market conditions for the parent company of Ness Marine, which is Northern Environmental Services Scotland Limited, hence the reason Ness.
One of the questions I'm sure our viewers would be thinking about is why polyethylene, and why is that material you chose to make your boats from?
Polyethylene actually allows me to expand my designs. Gary and I can share ideas, and we can, with polyethylene rather than other materials, we can actually put our ideas into CAD, into CAM, and actually into boats. With the indestructibility, the buoyantness of the material, the UV protection of the material, and obviously it's just indestructible.
The first stage in the process for making a Ness Marine boat is using CAD drawings, getting the exact measurements and dimensions for each piece of equipment to eventually make a whole boat. Once the design is agreed with Julian, the designer, the plans are sent away to the MCA for certification and approval. This approval allows the boats to be sold in the UK and to be able to be brought up to Workboat 3 standards. Once the drawings have been approved, the next stage is the cutting sheet design, where all the parts are nested onto each polyethylene sheet. Once each piece of the Ness Marine boats are intricately designed on the cutting sheet, the next stage is for them to be brought to the CNC machine where they're all cut out. Once each part is cut, the parts are put to one side where they'll be assembled and welded to make a new vessel. Not only is all the polyethylene welding made in-house with all the materials, all of the stainless accessories that you see on board have been made in-house here by Gary, Julian and the team. Yes, this is a boat building factory, but one thing that completely shocked me last week when we were on Loch Ness is not only are the polyethylene parts and the stainless accessories made in-house, but they go above and beyond and also make the upholstery. All cushions you see on the vessels have been made in-house. So the boats have had their plastic welding, the stainless accessories fitted and upholstery all looking good, but last but not least, the boats need to be rigged out with all of the necessary rigging to power the engines, the electronics, fixed radios, chart plotters, anything required by the customers. Again, that is all done here in-house. Well, thank you very much for showing us behind the scenes, guys. I really enjoyed being in the factory here, seeing the different stages. I knew there was a lot of work obviously involved in making the boats, and you can really tell that with the quality of them. But seeing each little step and the details that go in, and the fact that you guys can do it all here, I really enjoyed, and I'm sure our subscribers will have enjoyed seeing that too. Moving forward, what sort of boats can you supply? I know we've got the 5, the 6 and the 7 metre boats behind me here, but what are your limitations, Julian?
Well, really, Ness Marine's pretty comfortable between maybe 5 and the 12 metre boat.
It's quite a big range then.
Yeah, but well, it covers a lot of area, a lot of industries, a lot of sports, a lot of this, a lot of that. And as regards to layout, any layout for any customer for a different range of activities, whether it be diving, fishing, industrial work, we could have full cabins, we could have consoles, we can have aft consoles. Seating arrangements can be done as per the customer's requirements or MCA requirements. So anything really. So,
I suppose, Gary, that's where your location comes into it, isn't it? Being based in the Scottish Highlands.
Yeah, absolutely, James. And like your own family business based in Inverness there, in Invergordon, we can tailor the builds to individual needs, because obviously not all water conditions are the same. These boats, for example, ideal for inshore and river conditions, and as Julian says, which is why we're perhaps looking towards the patrol and diving sectors and things like that. So yeah, and being a company up in the Highlands, it's something we pride ourselves on.
For more information about Ness Marine boats, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or click on the website link below. We also welcome any comments if you've got any questions about the material you've viewed.